So there is two types of method. First, you need to go Google and search typing DL e-learning. Then you can click that link and you will go to directly main interface. Yeah, here, and you will find login, new registration for foreigner, and another from via link. If you have link, you can go to click your direct link, and it's same, it will bring same place, main interface. That first main interface is in Thai language, but you can scroll down and click foreigner. For foreigner, I'm new one, so I will just register. So click here passport. After that, you need to select your country. So I'm going to click here my country, India. Where is India? Yep. Yep, I found here. So yeah, India. And after, you need to enter your passport number twice, and yeah, this one, second one. After that, you need to enter your phone number. After finish everything, before submit, you just need to remember your username, and yeah, you can do screenshot also. And after, again, you need to go back and log in. Here you need to put a username. Yeah, I will use my username here. And after, you need to yeah, if you already that you screenshot, you need to look that one. So I am here looking screenshot and put here username, and after, you can put here your date of birth. After that, it will bring your course. Yeah, you need to apply new course. Okay, after that, we need to click video, and they have four parts. We need to look all video. So each video you will show some question. We need to just give them answer correctly. So here I have problem. Yeah, so here audio playback problem. Look, if I play any video, if I play first video, even it's play but don't have sound, so it's quite difficult. This one, second video, I can play, but here also don't have sound. And another problem is text answering problem. When I choose answer, submit that answer, I cannot scroll nicely. So first of all, we need to go log out that your account and go back. You need to log in again, but before that, we need to click here three dots, just scroll and go desktop site. After click desktop site, it will show you same like computer interface, and after, you can go to login again. So here I will zoom little bit. After that, I will click enter my username, and I want to look from my screenshot that I took from. After that, it will bring in my course. So here I will start my course. So here now first video, if I click this video, therefore same, here is 4 parts course. So we will click video, and it will show you with audio. There is don't have problem. And easily you can answering your question. So here you need to remember 3 things before starting your course up until ending your course. First, you need to remember your username. Second, you need to remember your confirmation training result. And third, you need to save your QR code for show at the transport office.